Hey there, coffee lovers! Today, I'm diving into the world of smart coffee makers with the Hamilton Beach compatible with Alexa Smart Coffee Maker. This sleek machine not only brews up to 12 cups of your favorite Java but also integrates seamlessly with your Alexa devices. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee without lifting a finger. With just a simple command like, "Alexa, turn on my coffee maker," you're on your way to a perfect cup every time. What sets this coffee maker apart is its compatibility with Alexa. It's works with Alexa certified, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Plus, it syncs wirelessly with the Alexa app, keeping your clock accurate and allowing for easy programming using routines. Whether you prefer a bold brew or a milder cup, you can adjust the strength with a voice command. Now, let's talk about the Hamilton Beach Permanent Gold Tone Filter. No more dealing with paper filters that contribute to waste. This reusable filter fits most coffee makers and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. It's a small change that makes a big difference in reducing your environmental footprint. In terms of design, this coffee maker boasts a stainless steel finish that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Its programmable features make it a convenient choice for busy mornings or lazy weekends. Overall, the Hamilton Beach compatible with Alexa Smart Coffee Maker is a game changer for coffee enthusiasts who crave convenience without sacrificing quality. Say goodbye to the days of waiting for your coffee to brew manually. With Alexa by your side, your perfect cup of joe is just a voice command away. So why wait? Elevate your mornings with this innovative coffee maker today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.